Hey everybody, it's move-in day.
Happy moving day. Come on, yo.
A lot of work ahead of us, but we'll get it done. I'll keep you abreast of what's going on. We've reached the end of the first day, and I think we're all exhausted. You have to pardon my scruffy exterior, but we've had a lot of work done today. So thought I'd give you a chance to meet everybody. So here's my oldest.
Hello.
That's Philip.
Hello.
There's John. Hello. It's Aaron and Autumn.
Hi.
And there's my Carl. So we're the family behind Pisgah Needleworks. We hope that you guys will come up and see us sometime. Our goal is to be open by the 27th of September when the Yadkin Valley Pumpkin Festival is going on. But if the door's open downstairs, you want to come up and take a look, please feel free to come up and say hi. We'd love to see you. Thanks, everybody.